Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by eliminating interruptions. Plug the Surface into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. This forces the system to find the latest packages. While downloads start, make sure you've closed heavy apps and saved your work. This reduces conflicts and speeds installation. Once updates appear, review optional drivers, select required security patches, and start the download so the Surface can prepare files for the next steps. Once downloads complete, prioritize installing cumulative and feature updates because they include critical fixes and system-level changes. Then, check optional updates for Surface firmware and drivers using the Surface app or device manager. These improve hardware stability and battery life. Start installation and monitor progress. Installations may take 10-30 minutes. Make sure to reboot when prompted. Many driver changes finalize only after a restart. After the system restarts, verify the update history in settings to confirm success and check for any remaining pending items. If an update failed, run the Windows Update troubleshooter and address its suggestions. Often clearing cache or retrying resolves transient errors. Make sure to restart again after fixes, then test Surface-specific features like touch, keyboard, camera, and battery reporting. If problems persist, roll back the last driver or use system restore. This preserves functionality while you research a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.